Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you how to create this smoked out liner look. I've done a couple of these in the past, but I found a way to make it even darker with the black. Really quickly, I wanted to mention, I know a lot of you guys have been telling me that I should pair more jewelry with my looks and my outfits and my hair, and I understand that. It's hard to envision a full look without all of the accessories and stuff. I found this brand, Anastasia, and their jewelry is so beautiful. If you like small, fine jewelry, then I would recommend checking them out. I'm absolutely in love with this necklace. I've always wanted one like this, so finally I'm gonna be wearing it every day. And also these earrings are super cute. They're hearts with a little heart in it. I got some big ears, so I need to accessorize them. And most of their pieces are 14 karat gold, and their prices are pretty reasonable, so it's honestly worth checking out. Anyway, I did manage to get a discount code with them, and that's Chelsea10 if you guys want 10% off. I'll put the link below for you guys, and just check them out and see what you think. Anyway, back to the look. If you guys want to see how to create this smoked out liner, please keep watching. So I'm going to start this look by taping the sides of my eyes. And by the way, as you guys can see, I already did my eyebrows and I primed and set my eyelids, because you guys have seen me do that so many times. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be going in with my Morphe by James Charles palette. And I'm going to start by going in with Code James. I'm going to go in with my Morphe by Jaclyn JH36 crease brush. I just said crease weird. Crease. And I'm just going to get this in my outer V and crease. So now before any other shadow, I'm going to go in with eyeliner, and I'll be going in with NYX's Epic Ink Liner. I'm just going to draw a wing with this. So next I'm going to be going in with Spooky, this black shadow. And first I'm going to be taking that on the liner brush, and this is a Manuel Beauty liner brush. So just any brush that's thin like this, picking up some of that black shadow and just kind of smudging out that line a little bit, making sure it's got a bit of a fade to it. I'm going to be picking up this black again using my Sigma Smudge E21 brush. Just going in and really smudging that out a little bit harder. Then going in with 10% off on my Morphe by Jaclyn JH39 brush. We're just gonna smudge it out again. And then going in with No Beans, using the same brush. Just right on that line. Then going back in with Spooky. just gonna take this tape off. Now quickly I'm going to do my face before I fix any of my eyes. I'm going to be going in with my primer and I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. I'm just going to speed this up because you guys have seen me do this a billion times. For my foundation, going in with ColourPop's No Filter Foundation in medium 110. For my brows, I just like to take a little bit of that foundation and outline them. Just blend that out. Now for concealer, I'm going to be going in with ColourPop's No Filter Concealer in medium dark 32 and medium 26. So I'm gonna start with the darker one, do a couple lines under my eye here, and then taking the lighter one to mix it. Couple lines there. Highlight the bridge of the nose, the tip, Cupid's bow, and chin. To set this, I'm gonna be going in with my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting and Baking Powder in Banana Bread on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A7 brush. And setting the rest of my face with a big fluffy brush. Now going in with Spooky again on that same Sigma E21 brush. Gonna smudge it on my lower lash line. Making it light as you get into the inner corner. Taking that JH39 and 10% off. Just gonna smudge out that black. And I'm going to take this Morphe S20 pencil brush and dip it in Code James, the very first color we use up here. And really smudge that out. For my inner corner, I'm going to go in with So Good. I'm going to take this on my Sigma E46 shader inner corner brush. And I'm going to pop this on my inner corner and brow bone. I'm going to go back in with that liner and just draw a little point in the center of my eye. All I do is follow this line. Now to warm up my face, I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And I'm going to go in with these last two browns and just mix them on my Bow Bell B4 brush. And for my nose, I'm going to go in with this Morphe S30 shader brush. Taking that middle brown. Taking that banana powder, I'm just going to go down the center of my nose to make sure it is highlight. Grabbing that brush I used to set my under eyes, I'm just going to blend this out. For my blush, I'm going to be going in with the Beauty Bakerie's Cotton Candy Champagne palette. And I'm going to go in with No Champagne, No Gain. I'll take this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A19 brush. So for my highlight, I'm going to be going in with MAC's Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Whisper of Guilt. I'm going to go in with this Morphe Rose Gold brush and just highlight. It's kind of a sparse brush, so it should be able to disperse it well on my face. then my nose. Now for eyelashes, I'm going to be going in with Huda Beauty's new Jaclyn number 20 lashes. I'm just going to brush through these lashes with a spoolie. Make sure they're blended with my natural lashes. And then go on with some mascara. And I'm going to be using Buxom's Blackest Black Mascara. So lastly for lips, I'm going to be going in with Huda Beauty's Matte Power Bullet, and this is in Interview. I've never used before, so I hope it's perfect. But first I'm going to line my lips using MAC's lip liner in Whirl. I think this color is like a bit too pink right now. It's a really beautiful lipstick, but I'm actually going to go over this with Third Date. It's a little bit darker. I actually like that a lot better. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. I hope you guys want to recreate this smoked out liner look. If you have any questions or thoughts on this look, please leave them below in the comments and I will get back to you. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.